Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I would love for you to subscribe down below. As you know, I am sick with bronchitis, so I'm trying to get a video up for you, and I hope that this is okay. We are going to be doing a look today with the new Jackie AINA and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It goes for $45. I really like that this is sort of snakeskin, kind of with the gold lettering. And it is the standard Anastasia Beverly Hills form. So looking good. We're going to create a nice look using these colors here and those. So if you would like to see the look in my thumbnail, then just keep watching. Alright guys, I'm trying to be peppy. I feel okay right now, but my voice doesn't sound great. On this eye, I took the shade Ginger, and with a nice black haired brush, the Sigma E40, I just fluff that into the crease. And I put some powder down for fallout. So this shade, I mean, it's pigmented, but it's not as pigmented as I've seen other people say it is. You know, it's perfectly fine as a transition shade, so I love it. And then what I did as well, I took the same shade and I ran it on the lower lash line. It's a beautiful color story, and the price is fine. Standard price of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think it's actually borderline more affordable than the Urban Decay Naked Honey and all that. The next shade I'm going into is called Edges. This is sort of a terracotta shade. And I'm just going to fluff that in the crease just a little bit below the other shade we put down. And then I'm going to take the excess and run it almost all entirely over my lid. And then I'm going to bring it up above that shade. And then I'm going to also take that on the lower lash line. And smoke it out. See, this is totally neutral looking. You can totally pull off a neutral look. Then on a Sigma E25, I'm taking Credit. That's that dark brown shade. With any dark shade though, go in with a light hand at first, and I usually just tap. And after most of that pigment is tapped off, I then move it in and lightly feather it through the crease. I'm going to take this about halfway on the lid. Trust me guys, it sounds worse than it really is. Sometimes that happens with bronchitis. We lose our voice, but some people like this voice. So shout out in the comments who likes this voice or who finds it cray cray. Then I'm going to take, this is a Sigma Smart Short Shader E20, same shade. And I'm going to connect the upper to the lower portion. Go about halfway. And that is that. Then I want to take, I think I want to take Duolas on my ring finger and apply that to most of the mobile lid, leaving the inner third blank. So that's pigmented, but I think if we spray it, we could get maximum pigment. So swatched, it just looks like this. So it's sort of a greenish, goldish shade. Looks pretty nice, but I'm going to spray the brush. Then on a shader brush, I'm going to take Trust Issues and place that on that inner third that we left blank earlier. To me, these shades are not so super blinding pigmented. Like, I'm not shook, as they would say, but they're nice. They do take some building. The shade is really pretty though. and then I take it and put it on the lower third of the eye. It does take building to make this pop. So for the inner corner, I want to take something crazy. So I'm going to take, no, not really crazy, but I want to try that Zam shade right here on my pinky. Yeah, see what I mean? It's not... I'm struggling here. I've just decided to take all Soleil, Zam, Trust Issues. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. But I'm still underwhelmed by this pigment. This is just not rocking my world or anything. Alright, I'm back. Lashes are on. I'm actually wearing just the e.l.f. Faux Mink lashes in Troublemaker. These are actually really, really pretty. And I just used the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. Thoughts on this palette? Look at our eye look. Using this. I think with the shades I used that it's sort of an average palette. Now, I didn't use any of the other colorful shades. If you want me to do another tutorial using this, let me know. But let me just show you in comparison. This was $24 or $20 with a discount. And I did a look with this. I'll link it in the cards. Look at this. The pigment in this is unbelievable. And I did a look with this, and the pigment was so strong. Now this is pretty muted in my opinion for the money that I'm paying for $45. It's just kind of an average look. That's my opinion, to each their own. Like I said, like the video if you did. If you want me to do another look using that palette, let me know down below. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this style of video with my base done and just doing the eye tutorial. I found it very easy and probably better for you to watch. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.